accounting for southwestern Barrow County in north-central Georgia, east-central Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lawrenceville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceville, Snellville, Auburn, Dacula, Grayson, Carl, County Line, and Harbin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A severe